I have contributed to the good of society because I gave my son matching hangers. He's got matching hangers now. Hey guys, today we're gonna declutter my son's wardrobe in his minimalist closet, as you can see here. So he's been in his room for about 6 months now, and there's definitely some things in here that we can declutter. It's really not bad, but there's a few things that are too small for him now. And so I figured I would just take you along for the ride and also show you the inside of his closet because I made this from scratch, which is pretty impressive to myself. It's a really small closet, as you can see, but we've been able to maximize it because of the shelves that I was able to cut and put on the sides. It's really easy to make these types of shelves. It's like a one-day project if you know, have a whole day. but basically I just put cleats up here, and then I just had a piece of plywood. These are also removable, which I love. These are the cheap plywood. Look, it bends a little bit, but we don't care about that because it holds the stuff. So, I mean, you know, if ever needed, you could take these out. On this side, I actually have one that's high, and if ever I needed to hang something long, then I can take these guys out, which is pretty cool. So yeah, check that out. The other thing that you may have noticed is that there's a box of pho. He uses this as a filing box for top secret stuff. There's only like maybe 2 feet. Not even 2 feet, maybe like 1.5 feet going this way, and then it's only like 4 feet long. Yeah, I'm really happy with how the closet turned out. Especially we're able to maximize the space. And since we are, you know, minimalist, we really don't have a lot, like my son really doesn't have a lot of stuff. We do have all these additional removable plywood shelves as needed, and plenty of like closet hanging space because it made more sense to hang the stuff this way in this small area as opposed to lengthwise across the whole closet. I know you didn't ask for this, but I wanted to show you real quick just how strong these closet rods are that I made all by myself. Okay, back to the video. And then this is like for stuff that, you know, outfits he's gonna wear coming up soon, like for church and things like that. So this is just a towel rack. We've made the most of a small space. This used to be a bigger closet, but because we added a wall here, on the other side is going to be my future small office. It's like maybe 4x5. And so that's big enough to fit a desk in there and like just have like a nice little office space. And then our master bedroom's on the other side of that. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. He's got a lot of newer socks. A lot of these are small and old, and so I feel like they squeeze his feet together. So I'm just not gonna worry about it. So, doop. Okay, I'll make a better pile. I'll make a better pile. He has like a lot of jumping socks too, but we do jump a lot still at trampoline parks. So I'm just gonna keep them for now. Socks are like the bane of my existence. I feel like I like to just get ones that are black or just one color, or you know, a set that is all the same. I don't like these because they have different colored tips, but we still good. We just gonna soldier on because there are other worse problems in the world. This is my husband's sock. This is my husband's sock. So that goes over there more. Off camera. So now he's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's enough for a week. That's enough for a week. Why do we need more? And he's got like 10 million jump socks. This is fine. And this bow tie is in here. There doesn't even need to be in here. Hold on. Let's put this over here with all the other 10 bow ties that he doesn't need. But we'll worry about that when we get to it. All right, so that's fine. Perfect. Do I need to make this like neat? This is good enough? We're just going for good enough here. We don't need to spend, this is not Marie Kondo. I've told you this before. This is not Marie Kondo, so we're not gonna pretend that we are. He never has used this. He doesn't like brand name stuff with writing on it, so I don't know. I'm gonna ask him about that. Let me ask him. I don't have to ask him about a lot of stuff, but I'm gonna ask him about that. Some of these I just need to roll them up better. This is my husband's shirt. What is this even doing in here? All right. I guess I need to make a pile for husband's clothing. That's how laundry be sometimes. He uses that. He loves this shirt. I don't know why. It's getting small though, but he still loves it, so I'm gonna keep it. It ain't hurting nobody. We don't need this. He drew this shirt. He does not wear this. He wore that one time. Yes. Okay, this all looks good. This is good. Now he got a smaller amount of t-shirts. He got some tank tops. This one is small though. We don't need that tank top, right? And then he loves this shirt. This is camo shirt. Hello, I am filming a video. Okay. Thank you. Oh yeah, Will, do you want this?
What does Puma stand for?
It's like a name brand. It's like a type of sneaker. No? No thanks? Okay. Go back. Go back. All right, thank you. I'll be done shortly. Okay, close this. Close the door. Close the door, please. Thank you so much. Please don't be loud. So he loves shorts. Like it doesn't matter if it's like 40 degrees outside, he will still wear shorts. But these are small. Those are small, so we're not gonna worry about that. But these other shorts are fine. They're all fine. They're all fine. Yeah, we love shorts. In the winter, he'll wear shorts under his pants because then if he gets hot inside somewhere, he'll just rip off his pants. That's just how he does. Like today, we had to go to a birthday party at a trampoline park, and he wore like long sleeve everything, you know, because it's cold outside. But as soon as we got there, he just ripped the pants off, just ripped off the sweatshirt, and he was ready to go. This is just pants. 2 pairs, we're good. Yay. Like I feel like this whole thing is too big. It's fine. Here are some jeans. I've never seen him use jeans. I think we just bought a pair one time just because we were like, oh well, these were only like $4 at the consignment store that we usually go to get gently used clothing. We'll just keep it because maybe one day there will be someone who will be like, you need to wear jeans to this specific event.
You can't wear anything else.
Swim shorts. These are fine. I think one pair of these is too small though. Yeah, the 7s, they're small, so we can forget about it. 2 long sleeves. He's not a long sleeve person. He does have some jackets, so that's good. And then undies. All these actually look fine. And a glue stick. There's a glue stick in here.
For the undies, that makes sense. Okay.
He doesn't use this hat, so we're just gonna donate. And another bow tie. Now I see where all the bow ties that we've bought in the past have gone. So that's it for there. We're done. Okay, I guess I should do a bow tie. I'll do the ties and stuff next. We just, whenever there's like a random formal event, okay, this is definitely too small. Whenever there's a random formal event, we usually are like, oh, we need a bow tie. But that happens like once in a blue moon, and then we always end up, that's too small, losing the bow ties. This bow tie is a good size. We will keep this bow tie. We won't keep this bow tie. But these other ones are small. He only needs one real tie. But I think I have yet to actually see my son wear a real tie. But it's good to know that we have one. You just never know when you might need, like, it's not even a real tie, it's a fake tie, but it's a real tie, but it's like a fake tie.
Guys, can you be more quiet?
Thank you so much, you guys are so nice. But okay, which one is easier? We only need one. Okay, good. So this is what we have left. These are just in case, and I'm cool with just having like 2 of them. We don't need this one. There's like 2, yeah, this is a good size bow tie. This one's like small. And a belt. I don't think he's ever used a belt. You never know, just in case. All right, that's a lot better. That's a lot better. Okay. Oh, we have suspenders too. We have suspenders. Okay, these are all good. Yeah, we have, oh, we have one more belt. Okay, this belt, you know what? I was thinking this belt is too little, actually. That's from when he was younger. But the thing I love about kids' clothes is that they have like this adjustable waistband thing inside. So like his dress pants, they have like that adjustable thing. Then I don't need a belt. But I guess a belt is more for style. Let me know. I don't really pay attention to like
Fashion.
our goal in life is just to look presentable, you know, to have clean teeth that are brushed every morning. And that's a struggle in itself, but you know, one thing at a time. We're cool with this. This is fun. Like, this is fine. It's in the container. It doesn't take up a lot of space. I'm fine with this. All right, good. My head is not cut off. Very good. We love that. There's a few pants in here that I know are just too small. So basically anything that's like not a size 10, I'm gonna just declutter. So that's a size 8, because he be coming downstairs after he dresses up for church, and I'm like, those are high waters, babe, but it's still cute. It's still endearing. So someone else can use these now, because they are still in good shape. See, these are the adjustable thingies I'm talking about. These are like gold. Like, I feel like adult pants should have this too. I don't know, is it just me? I don't know. Comment below if you think adult pants should have these adjustable waistbands inside. I'm freeing up all of these hangers and I'm loving it. Now it's gonna be nice and like spacious in here. Okay, that's a size 10, so we're good. Cream pants, what size are you? Those are a 12, we like that. Just tell me what 10. Okay. It's okay that they're not ironed, right? We're just not gonna worry about it. That's not what's on the agenda. 12, good, perfect, we're good. So he has like 5 pairs of pants, so we're okay. And then he's got all of these white shirts that are just kind of hanging for, these are more for his Sunday's best, the undershirts, so that's cool. Oh yeah, he's got these pairs of pants. Let's make sure. I'm pretty sure these are still big enough. Big money, yeah. All right, size 10. Okay, cool. These are so cute. This is so cute. This, I'm gonna keep this because it's like, it's on the verge, but it's still good. It's still good. But I feel like you're so far from me. Maybe I could zoom in a little bit. I definitely need another tripod, but the other tripod's in the back unit right now, and I'm not going back there because that's a construction zone. All right, 10 out of 10. Yeah, he's like in between 8. So, yay, I get another hanger. Yay! I love when I get, look, this is gonna be great for the end of the video. When it's time to do an after, you'll see
All of the hangers are going to match. It's gonna be amazing.
you guys have been bothering me about that for years now, and I just didn't have the mental space to have matching hangers, but now it's just gonna happen organically, so we love that. Long sleeve, yep. Oh, I gotta get rid of this hanger though. I'm gonna declutter that hanger. This one hanger that has 2 pairs of pants on it, oh, I'll do that last. Just remind me, if I forget to switch out these hangers that are doing the pants, if I forget, just let me know in the comments below. Any kind of engagement is fine with me. Positive, negative, it's okay. But I would like positive, but you know, just say it in a nice way. Hey, Tasha, you forgot to switch out your hangers, and so this whole video is ruined. That's small. That's small. So we don't need to worry about it. It's small. All right, I have to just, because I got 2 cameras going on, I don't know why I'm making this life harder. It's fine. I have this fuzzy thing here. I hope my audio is okay. This is size 8, so we have to say goodbye. So long, farewell. I'm not gonna sing the whole thing. Oh, it has shorts too? Oh, okay, someone's gonna be like hanging out in Hawaii. I think this one is small, it's been a bit. 8. Yes, more hangers. Oh, I can't wait. I've never been so excited about hangers in my whole life. What are you? Size 10. We are almost near the end, guys. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Can you believe it? I love this stuff. Okay, size 8. 6 to 7. Who did not declutter this probably a year ago? Who did that? It wasn't me.
It was me. It was me because we keep moving.
The suit is done. Somebody's gonna have a very nice suit, just as we did for a bit. I think he used it one time. But I guess one is better than none, and it was free, so, I mean, I love hand-me-downs. I don't know why everybody out there buying new clothes all the time. Like, I love me a good hand-me-down. Like, my kids' clothing, we barely spend money on it. Every like 6 months, we have to like update it, and we spend maybe like total like $50. And we get a bunch of hand-me-downs from all of our great friends who feel sorry for us. It's amazing. I love it. I don't care. I have no shame. I have no shame. And then this, yeah, we're good. Okay. Wow, I love it. Okay, so now I have to make this nice because there is a green hanger. And we can't have green hangers, guys. We cannot have green hangers. It's an atrocity. When I was making this closet, I had to like measure out like, okay, how big is a hanger? Because you have to make sure that it would actually fit. It would actually fit in your closet and stuff. I did a lot of research. Like I got a big hanger and I put it in the area where it would be hanging. And I was like, does it fit? And then it did fit. So, you know, lots of research goes into that. I just wanted to let you guys know. It's not an easy thing. It's not, I'm just kidding. It's very easy. You should do it. Everyone should make closets. And you should make shelving. You should make additional shelving. It's so easy. Once you start, you know, you just need some basics, some tool basics. And that's great. You know, YouTube does great for giving you basics. You just have to find some people who explain things in a way that you can understand. And then once you do that, it's like, okay, this isn't so bad. I would have been done already, but since you guys want me to have matching hangers, like the 2 of you out there that keep telling me I need, the 2 of you guys out there that keep telling me I need matching hangers, this is for you. I have dedicated this video to you.
I love you.
This will make me a better person though, because I will look in this closet and I'll be like, wow, there are matching hangers. Life is complete now. I can say that I've done my part. I have contributed to the good of society because I gave my son matching hangers. He's got matching hangers now. I just hope I have enough. Let's see. That could be the plot twist, that I decluttered, but I didn't declutter enough, and I'm short 1 hanger. And if I have short 1 hanger, I'm gonna be so angry. I'm gonna be very angry. I'm just kidding. I'm not. There are more important things to be angry about. Just kidding. You shouldn't really get angry at stuff. It's like a great use of your energy. I think I'm pretty done. I'm gonna kind of put them in color order for aesthetic reasons. So it's like, well, it's like pants. The pants are just kind of in any order. The pants are in one area. That's important. They should be in like one area so they're like separate and you're like, okay, this is where the pants are. And then you have like undershirts. I feel like the undershirts, I'm gonna just put them over here for now, off to the side. And then in the middle is like dress shirts. And I have one hanger to spare, so extra hanger on the side. This is amazing. Oh, Will's not doing jujitsu anymore, but this cost a pretty penny. It was a good time. It was a good time. We just gonna hold on to it. It's not hurting nobody. It's up here. We're just gonna hold on to this a little bit and just, you know, who knows? Who knows what will happen in the future? I mean, it is a pretty penny to go back, so we're kind of okay with him not doing it. Whatever he wants to do, it's fine. All right, this is looking good. This is looking good. All right. Okay, my nose is running as usual. If you didn't notice, my nose is usually running in every single video at some point. Let's zoom out a bit. Let's look at this. Let's look at this. All right, so this is what we're getting rid of. Yes, and some of this is going to my husband's room because it's his clothes, but most of this is we can donate. It's small. That's it. And then here, this is what we have left. Yay! Yay! Look at that. Look at that. There's like room for more. There's room for more. I love it. I am loving it. This side really didn't change. There's not really much going on over here. You know, I'm not gonna declutter his top secret faux files. This is just extra bed sheets, so we don't worry about that. And just some extraneous stuff. There's like snow pants up there, it's fine. So yeah, this is great. Well, I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. But it's much better than it was, and we have all this stuff that we were able to declutter. Yeah. So in my excitement, I totally forgot to record a proper outro. So please have fun looking at these thumbnail poses that didn't quite make the cut, and I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.